literally there was loud sort of music and then suddenly a big thud and crash, almost like an earthquake had hit.
It was about a half inch to an inch deep of water throughout the entire living room.
And went to the backyard, and when I opened the back door, the fire just took off.
A lot of houses in our area burnt all the way to the ground.
Went to the back, water was everywhere again.
Strangely enough, the flue closed and the smoke started billowing into the living room.
They came down and ran down the walls and messed up our hardwood floor.
About 2:30 in the morning, all hell had broken loose.
I felt like everything went wrong, and I was so stressed and nervous and started breaking out in hives.
Allied was brought in through my insurance.
I called my insurance broker. She recommended Allied.
I asked my contractor for recommendation, and he said we should call Allied.
NatGen, our insurance, recommended Allied.
We called Allied.
From the point that Allied got involved, it took a very, very positive turn.
Mercury says, hey, look, you guys have been working with Allied for a while. He says, what do you think? He says, we think they're great, they're wonderful. We've been working with them for a while.
Of course, when Allied came in, they found it immediately. They found how it had traveled through the wall, and then they gave us a great plan on what they were going to do and how they were going to fix it.
At no time did I think that Allied didn't know what they were doing in concerns to working with a high-end client or a client that respects privacy.
Yeah, it was all sort of remarkably sort of quick how fast you were. I think it was the same day we had somebody out there.
I had the project supervisors always communicated a daily update on what's going on.
Just the whole crew. Everybody is professional. Everybody is kind. Everybody's like, hey, we got you. Oh, don't worry.
We didn't have to worry about anything. They handled everything from the insurance claims, from making sure the architect was contacted, making revisions. They just took everything. We didn't have to worry about anything until this day.
It was calm, it was quick, it was easy. The outcome was good.
Yeah, the guys that came in here from Allied, very, very knowledgeable, very, very courteous. They knew exactly what they were doing, and they would let us know what they were going to do and how they were going to do it.
They were just so helpful throughout the process. You can see from standing in here today that the place is just 100% better, and we just give them as many recommendations as we can.
They didn't say, oh, I'm sorry, we're busy and we just can't get a crew here. They stepped up. They brought in the most amazing crew.
When it was handled so great, it was well worth it, and they just did an excellent job.
I would rate it a 10.
Yeah. We'd rate them an 11. Yeah, yeah.
If you guys had a higher number, that's where they would be, but definitely a 10.
I would give you guys about a 12.
Allied was always there the day we needed them and got the work done on time.
Thank God I went with them. They made everything easy.
When I called about Allied, people were happy. Everybody was happy.
You need to do something quickly. I wouldn't hesitate to call Allied.
And people loved this company, Allied, and my experience was good, so I went with them.